Hi, chocolate friends! We are taste testing truffles for the holiday specials coming up. I think we deserve it.
Yes.
We ran a lot today. Curbside is amazing exercise. Okay, so here we go. You want to grab that first one? Take the whole thing, Christine.
Thank you.
Bloopers already. Okay, go dig in. I'm gonna get another one because she took the whole truffle. Any guesses? Flavors? Mm.
So good.
There are more taste testers far away who don't like to be on camera. That is really good. But please give your commentate 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Oh, that is good.
So far.
That takes me to Thanksgiving. Yeah, that's really good. Okay, pumpkin. Once a year, November. It's coming back for you guys. Okay, let's look at this pretty one. Any guesses? This is we're going through our fall box. So we're gonna do a 9-piece fall truffle special in the month of November. And everybody's guessing the flavors because they don't know what it is. Or they might not know what it is. And
caramel apple.
It's like green apple. Straight bob into the bucket of apples. Covered in chocolate. Oh, that is really, really good. Like candied apple. Yeah. You can see the green apple when you're eating it, yeah? Like just bursting in your mouth. Wow, that's really good. You're supposed to drink water between chocolates to clean your palate. Okay, let's go to the next. Sorry, I never planned this or script anything. It's just real eating after curbside. Woohoo! Here's the last one. What's with all the whispering? Oh, you're trying to guess?
Before we eat it.
I want to give away the answers. Because they know what it is.
Oh, wow.
I'm excited.
That's my favorite.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh man,
That's my favorite.
that's my favorite too.
Mm-hmm.
Holy cow. That's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
That is like, you don't want to talk. You just want to eat in peace.
Half is not enough.
I don't know why that reminds me of Disneyland.
Half is not enough.
Half is not
Half is not enough.
Uh-uh.
That was,
Woohoo!
what flavor was that?
I already know maple.
Maple pecan.
Oh, that was
Oh.
The crunch really added to it.
Yeah.
The crunch, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, we got to do that one again.
That one's good.
Oh my gosh, that was so good. Pumpkin is always a winner.
Yeah.
Like, I love pumpkin every year, right? And then the apple too. Apple's super happy, fun, just makes you smile. Pumpkin takes you to another time, like back to just those good memories of like being with family or sharing with friends or having food on a table in front of you. Thanksgiving.
Yeah, with family.
But maple pecan is like the new happiness of 2020 and a year of so much craziness. I don't know. That was really
I want to go
good.
tap for maple.
Huh?
I said that's on my bucket list. I want to go to the East Coast and get maple out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That tasted like straight out of a tree, man.
Straight out of the tree.
Anyway, not scripted. It was really good, and I'm so excited that we're gonna be able to share this with you folks for November. November is really short though. It's like 3 weeks, and then it's Christmas, and then it's over, and it's New Year's. So the first pre-order is Halloween. So on Halloween is when you can order these November specials. So we're gonna be launching all of it, but those 3 truffle flavors, we didn't even use our notebook. Okay, it made the cut. It's going in the 9-piece truffle box for November. Thank you guys for your support. We're gonna focus on gratitude all of November, and we are grateful for each and every one of you. So thank you, chocolate friends. Stay sweet, and let's bring peace to our world. One chocolate at a time.